Hello, dear friends. Our today's topic is a combined synthesis reaction and medicinal compounds of three very basic heterocyclic compounds which are called as pyrrole, furan, and thiophene. Let's look at their structure. Pyrrole is a five-membered heterocycle containing the nitrogen. Furan is a five-membered heterocyclic ring containing oxygen, and thiophene is a five-membered heterocyclic ring containing a sulfur atom. Let's look at their general synthesis. So first is the general synthesis of pyrrole. Here the starting material is acetylene, which react with two molecules of formaldehyde in presence of copper carbide. Now here the acetylene molecule when reacted with copper carbide gives out to the metal acetylene compound, where the acetylene carbon bears the negative charge. So this acetylene molecule then attack on this carbonyl carbon to give the nucleophilic addition reaction. So when we are using two molecules of formaldehyde, so here we get the formation of this 1,4-diol compound. This first carbon of acetylene attack on the carbon of formaldehyde to give this CH2OH, while the second carbon then attack on the second molecule to form this hydroxymethyl derivative over here, which is called as but 2-ine 1,4 diol. Now this diol then undergoes reaction with ammonia in presence of a very high pressure. We use pressure over here because this alkyne is a linear molecule, and to react the compound to form a ring, it has to be takes place in presence of high pressure. So when this diol is reacted with ammonia, the ammonia molecule attack on one of the carbon to give the nucleophilic substitution reaction, where one of the hydroxyl group is substituted with this amino group. Now in presence of ammonia, this amino group then attack on the carbon which is attached with the hydroxyl group. So here we get the release of one water molecule, and thus the formation of a five-membered heterocyclic ring which contains a triple bond between position number 3 and position number 4. So dear students, this triple bond consists of one sigma bond and two pi bonds. So one of the hydrogen from this adjacent carbon move on to this carbon and thus gets attached over here by a pi bond. So one pi bond will be broken down, while this hydrogen, one of the hydrogen from this carbon migrate on this carbon and get attached with the second pi bond over here. Thus the double bond is generated over here, and this triple bond is then converted into the single bond to give our title compound the pyrrole. This is the synthesis of pyrrole. Move on to the general synthesis of furan, which is very important one. Here the starting material is a polymer which is called as pentosan, having the formula C5H8O4 N times. N times represent it is a polymer. So though there are 5 carbons, it is called as pentosan. This polymer then undergoes hydrolysis to give the individual pentose molecules. This is the sugar portion, which is the constituent of pentosan. This pentose then is get reacted with the acid molecule. When the acid is reacted with pentose, the carbonyl group which is attached with this carbon bearing the hydrogen gets converted into corresponding hydroxy group. As I mentioned in my previous videos also, that a ketone is generally tautomerized to its enol form. So dear students, you can find over here that this carbonyl group is gets converted to en and all by migration of this hydrogen from this carbon, that is alpha, to the carbonyl carbon to give this enol structure, which is then reacted with the second acid molecule, that is the proton present in the solution. This proton then attack on this hydroxyl group, and thus this hydroxyl group is gets converted to the water molecule, which is released out. And when this water molecule is released out over here, the double bond is formed between this carbon and this carbon. So this double bond will be broken down, and the pi electrons of this pi bond will be taken by this oxygen to form the double bond over here, that is to regenerate the carbonyl group. Now the formation of this molecule is the important part over here. This molecule then undergoes cyclization in presence of acid once again. So dear students, if we look at this structure, we will find that this primary alcohol, this hydroxy group, attack on this doubly bonded carbon which is attached with the hydroxyl group. So when this hydroxyl group attack on this carbon, there is release of the water molecule. One of the hydrogen and this hydroxyl group will be released out as water molecule, and thus a bond will be formed between this carbon and this oxygen, as we can see in the structure. So when the bond formation takes place, this cyclized structure will be formed. We can find that when oxygen attacks on this carbon, this CHO group will remain intact over here, and the double bond is there between this carbon and this carbon. So with this 5-membered ring, we will arrive at this structure, which consists of this H and OH, that is this H and OH at this carbon, and 2 hydrogens on this carbon, which utilizes the hydroxyl group in formation of this cyclic ring. So this compound then undergoes the release of water molecule. Dear student, one of the hydrogen, that is with this hydrogen and this hydroxyl group, will be removed out as water molecule, and thus a double bond is generated between this carbon and this carbon, and this gives the formation of furan 2 carbaldehyde. This carbaldehyde then is reacted with an oxide catalyst in presence of steam and a very high temperature of 400 degrees centigrade, whereby this aldehyde portion gets converted to the acid first, and then the carbon dioxide molecule will be released out from there, and this gives the formation of this heterocycle, which is called as furan. Next, move on to the general synthesis of thiophene, which starts with this alkane containing 4 carbons. A straight chain alkane is there, and it is called as butane. The butane reacted with sulfur, elemental sulfur, in presence of high temperature of 560 degrees centigrade. When the reaction takes place, the primary hydrogens from this carbon and this carbon will react with sulfur to form hydrogen sulfate, which is released out from here. This 4 carbon and the sulfur then undergo cyclization to give this 5-membered ring, which consists of this CH2 and CH2 over this and this position. 2 methylene groups are also present at this and this position. During the reaction, the hydrogenated cyclic compound undergoes oxidation by release of the hydrogen gas from second and third position and fourth and fifth position, and this gives the formation of thiophene. Next, move on to the common synthesis of these three heterocyclic rings. For common synthesis, the common starting material is acetonyl acetone. Dear student, if we look at one portion, it is the portion of acetone where one of the hydrogen is replaced by second acetone molecule. That's why it is called as acetonyl acetone. Once again, it is a ketone and especially it is a diketone. So as I mentioned earlier that a ketone can be tautomerized to its enol form. So this acetonyl acetone is also tautomerized to its enol form where the double bond is generated between this carbon and this oxygen is gets converted to the hydroxyl group by migration of hydrogen from this carbon to oxygen and from this carbon to this oxygen. So that is the tautomerized molecule which undergoes reaction with various reacting species. For example, when acetonyl acetone is reacted with phosphorus pentaoxide, there is liberation of water molecule from the reaction of these two hydroxyl groups of tautomeric compound, and thus we get the formation of this 2,5 dimethyl furan. If the acetonyl acetone is reacted with phosphorus pentasulfide, first one of the oxo group is get substituted with sulfur to form the thio derivative. There is migration of the hydrogen from this carbon to the sulfur to form SH and from this carbon to oxygen to form OH. So from SH and OH the water molecule will be released out and we will be giving out there only the sulfur, which will be the part of this 5-membered ring, and thus we have the formation of 2,5 dimethyl thiophene. Likewise, acetonyl acetone is reacted with ammonium carbonate in presence of high temperature of 100 degrees centigrade. Here one of the oxo group is get substituted by the NH group to form the amine. So once again the tautomerism takes place, the migration of hydrogens takes place, the formation of double bonds over here takes place, and there is release of the water molecule from over here in this case, and thus we get the formation of this 2,5 dimethyl pyrrole ring. So it is a common synthetic pathway for pyrrole, furan and thiophene. Let's look at the reactions of pyrrole, furan and thiophene. The most important one is the electrophilic substitution reaction. In this heterocyclic rings, the electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at position number 2. So let's take some examples. For example, pyrrole when reacted with nitric acid in presence of sulfuric acid, it undergoes nitration. The nitronium ion which is generated gets attached on position number 2 to give 2-nitropyrrole. Likewise, furan when reacted with pyridine in presence of sulfur trioxide or a mixture of pyridine sulfur trioxide, the sulfur trioxide electrophile attack on second position to form SO3H. That is, in this case, furan gets converted to furan 2-sulfonic acid. Let's look at the next example. Thiophene on reaction with bromine in presence of chloroform gives formation of 2-bromothiophene. Likewise, pyrrole when reacted with acetyl chloride in presence of AlCl3, it gives the formation of 2-acetyl pyrrole. Dear students, if you remember, this reaction is the formation of ketones by use of acid chloride in presence of aluminum chloride, and it is the classical example of Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Next, look at the next example. Furan when reacted with sodium nitrite in presence of acid like HCl at low temperature of 0 to 10 degrees centigrade, the nitrogenation reaction takes place. Nitrogenation is nothing but the attachment of nitrosonium ion onto the the furan ring. Here the nitrosonium ion is the electrophile generated over here. So this gives the formation of 2-nitrosofuran. The next electrophilic substitution reaction is this one, which is also the familiar reaction. Here the pyrrole is reacted with chloroform in presence of potassium hydroxide. This gives the formation of pyrrole 2-carbaldehyde. This is also the familiar reaction of the electrophilic substitution reaction, whereby electroaromatic ring on reaction with chloroform and potassium hydroxide undergoes Riemer-Tiemann reaction, whereby there is the formation of dichlorocarbene, which on hydrolysis gives formation of carbaldehyde. Next is the reaction of thiophene with benzene diazonium chloride. As I mentioned earlier, that electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at the position number 2. So here this H and this Cl will be removed out as HCl, and this electrophilic nitrogen then attack on the carbon at second position to give this phenyl diazothiophene product. Let's look at the last reaction, that is the reduction. For example, pyrrole when reduced with molecular hydrogen in presence of nickel and at 200 to 250 degrees centigrade, the double bonds get saturated to form tetrahydropyrrole, which has the special name pyrrolidine. Likewise, furan on reduction gets converted into tetrahydrofuran, which is example of a very good solvent also. In IUPAC nomenclature, the name is oxolan. The saturated thiophene, that is thiolan, is best prepared by using 1,4-dibromobutane and reacting it with sodium sulfite in presence of heat. Here 2 sodium and 2 bromines will be released out as 2 sodium bromide molecule, and the sulfur then get cyclized with these 4 carbons to form this tetrahydrothiophene, which is called as thiolan. The last is the oxidation reaction. None of pyrrole, furan and thiophene shows the oxidation, but the tetrahydrothiophene can give the oxidation with oxidizing agent, whereby the sulfur gets attached by the coordinate bond with 2 oxygens to give the formation of this product, which is called as sulfolan. Next, look at the important medicinal compounds. The important medicinal compounds of pyrrole, the first one is tolmetin, which is used as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. The another one is a very potent dyslipidemic agent, atorvastatin. You can look over here that here is the presence of this pyrrole ring, and atorvastatin is used to decrease the lipid level. Next is the important medicinal compounds of furan. The first compound is the ranitidine, which is a potent antacid compound. The next one is nitrofurantine, which is used for treatment of urinary tract infection. The last is the important medicinal compounds of thiophene, where the first compound is sufentanil, which is very good synthetic opioid analgesic agent and is used for treatment of mild to moderate pain. The last one is the lornoxicam, which consists of thiophene heterocycle, and lornoxicam is used as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. So dear student, that is all about pyrrole, furan and thiophene. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.